defective! What the heck? Hi art friends. We recently looked at a Crayola product that was made especially for girls, and I actually had the time of my life. Oh my god. I'm having a great time. I've sort of took over this video, I'm sorry. And I never know what Steph actually comes back with when she's been out loose thrifting. So make sure you smack that notification bell and subscribe. It's his only purpose. And also check out this ever-growing playlist of terrible Crayola products.
A lot of you guys since then have been requesting that we get more vintage girl core art kits for Adam to try out.
I'm all for it.
So I've been back on my thrifting game and I've found something.
Oh god. Girlfitti. It's not feet, is it?
Graffiti, but for girls.
Create your own personalised note cards. That's cute. Okay, that's quite sweet. Gel pens? Crayola gel pens.
Let's get a close-up of this packaging because they want to see it before you start ripping into it.
I'm so excited.
I know, but I haven't had a chance to even look at this yet.
Okay, step 1. Use the punch to cut out shapes from your cards. Number 2, glue your punched pieces onto your cards too. Asterisk. Glue not included!
Oh no!
After a great bloody start. Number 3, decorate your envelopes to match the card. Why would they do? The whole set is focused around punching out cute shapes to stick on cards, so why wouldn't you use some glue?
But bear in mind, this is a creativity kit from Y2K.
Bear in mind, it's a creativity kit from Crayola. Don't give you anything.
I think a lot of the budget went on the handle. Look how nice that handle is.
Good gripping thing to throw it when you're fed up with it.
As soon as I saw this, I was like, I need to get hold of this. Mostly because it's called the Girlfitti, which is just a hilarious branded name. And this also sounded like the lamest craft kit I have ever heard of in my entire life. Perfect punches. So who's ready to get punched?
This thing's gonna get a perfect punch if it's no good. Oh, that's heavy. Oh my god. Well, we've got the card and the envelopes here. This one's really heavy. I think there must be a punch. Oh yeah, these must be the 2 punches. These are actually quite heavy. Oh, Girlfitti branded gold and silver gel pens.
I wonder if those will still work, because like, bear in
They
mind,
better do. Oh my god.
go easy on it. It's like 20 years old.
Go easy on it. I'm over 20 years old. No, and the world doesn't go easy on me. Oh, that's cute looking. And a butterfly. Or, if you're creative, it could also be the letter M. Okay, girls. Are you ready? It's just card that's folded in half. Guys, don't buy this.
They can't. It's from like 20 years ago. This is a rare exclusive that you're getting to play with this.
See, don't make it sound fancier than what it is, because it's not. Oh wow, that goes deep. Look how deep that goes. Shall I do one like just there?
It's your creative project.
I don't know where it's going to end up. Okay, I guess I'll do one in the corner just to see. Okay, 1 sheet.
1 sheet. Let's go. There we go.
Okay. I was quite conservative with the amount of pressure that I put on because this feels like if I cough on it, it's going to break. I'll press a bit harder to give it the benefit of the doubt.
Give
Maybe
it a
it's because
punch.
I'm a boy. It's like it's not compatible with me. It's like there's a boy using the Girlfitti. Okay, I'm gonna give it some beef.
Give it the beef.
What the heck? That's not gone through at all. Look at that. Okay, maybe. Maybe it's just this stamp.
And no pressure on this, but the kit is called Perfect Punches, so I am expecting perfection.
I'm gonna give it a perfect punch.
Okay, that one sounded more promising.
That felt good.
There was a clunk there.
Whoa!
That was a perfect punch.
Yeah, this one
Every
worked.
time.
Okay, this one worked. Okay, well let me go back to the flower then.
No!
This is defective! What the heck? Okay, so you might be able to see, if I zoom in, the corner of the flower sticks out more than the rest. So what it's doing when you press down, like this, it's only punching out this little corner of each one. And I think that's why it's not working. Whereas like this one works perfectly. That one's awesome. And it's storing my butterflies in the little thing underneath.
So that's where they are storing.
That's where they're ending up, which is good. Because what I want to do is, I'm going for a card that's horizontal. like this.
Wow. It's not very symmetrical so far.
Oh god, it's not! That's What's funny? It's handmade. It's not perfect. This isn't made in a factory.
Excuse me, this kit was called Perfect Punches.
True.
Maybe if you try harder with it.
Maybe. That's the advice to take from today's video from Steph. Maybe you should just try.
Almost. Oh my gosh. How did you do that?
I prayed to God.
It is perfect punching.
It ain't perfect. If it gives me grey hairs, it's not perfect. Let's use one of my roughs to use these gel pens with, shall we?
Okay.
This must be one of those invisible ink gel pens. Oh my god, a bit came out and then it
What?
stopped. We might have to get creative and bust out some of our own art supplies with these.
I think we've got to get extremely creative with the set because they really don't give you much.
Speak for yourself, look at this. They'll put this in galleries one day. I did have an idea while we were just having a scooch around that I'd really appreciate your opinion on. I was thinking, would you want to collab and do a romantic collab card with me?
Wait, didn't you say that this was going to be a condolences funeral card?
Yeah.
We're going to collab on a romantic funeral card.
Well, this Crayola set is going to kill me, so we might as well make a start on the funeral things.
All right.
Oh, you're putting the... Oh yeah, there they are. Well, the ones that do punch out, they've punched out very clean, and I'm quite impressed with that. They do look good.
I feel like butterflies are very prominent imagery in like when people die. People are like, oh, there's a
What, really? How many butterfly funerals have you been to?
I don't know if this is just a weird, like, my family thing. My nana used to talk about how when she went to her mother's funeral, that she'll never forget that there was an owl watching her that day.
What's this got to do with butterflies?
She was really suspicious of owls after that because she was like, there's something going on.
What is this got to do with butterflies?
When I finally went to, like my dad's funeral or something, there was, I can't remember what bird, it was a bird though, and I thought, I don't like that bird anymore.
Do the butterflies come into this story?
Anyway, if I saw one at a funeral, it would probably put me off them, so...
What the heck was that story? Where are the butterflies? Do you know what a butterfly is? It's like one of those things.
So, since we're getting very romantic, we should probably draw an owl.
Yeah, okay. Here's a pro tip: don't get romantic at the funeral home. Are you actually going to draw an owl? Oh, I'm going to be so excited. Is the owl going to say like, "My condolences" or?
Gonna have big eyes.
I like that. Oh, that's looking cute already. It's always a treat. I love how you draw animals.
It looks like this guy's caught open and he's trying to like sell you some illegal substance.
Selling you some funeral merch. I've got urns, I've got coffins.
While we are also on the topic of things that my nana was suspicious of.
Oh Christ, okay.
She used to talk about how opals are unlucky unless your birthday is in October.
Oh yeah, because that's the birthstone, yeah.
So I feel like we should throw an opal in on this as well, just to like make it extra cursed, because neither of us have birthdays in October.
Maybe the owl is selling opals.
And something else that's cursed is that my nana, she once collected a peacock feather that she brought back home, and then her mum yelled at her that peacocks are cursed. So I feel like every generation's decided that there's a different bird that's cursed. This owl, he's like, oh, you're at a funeral?
Oh, you're sad? It's sad you're crying? You're missing your loved ones? I hate this owl. He's mean.
This is like that meme where it's like, is this a butterfly?
Is this a funeral?
I'm really getting into this. It's forcing me to use my creativity.
He says, who are the flowers for? Oh, this person that I know that was deceased. Who? He's on the ground. He swooped down to come and see you. Because he's right next to...
Is it a peacock?
No, the open grave.
Oh my god. That's something they don't tend to put in funeral condolences cards, like graves, especially open ones.
Oh, why not? He just says soon. He could have said soon. And that'd be even better.
Oh, so spooky.
Soon. Oh, that's so much better, jeez.
People might pronounce that as Shoon.
No, it's S-Hoon. Shoon. I have to admit though, we've kind of made the best of it so far. I mean, the glitter fens don't work. We can't really hold that against it because they're 20-something years old. Fair, that's fine. I can't excuse the stamps though, because they're literally like, just while Steph's thinking,
The key feature of the entire set.
And they're made out of metal. They're not like cheap plastic stuff. It's just like, this should have the strength to go through at least one sheet of paper. I'm glad that this is in a weird kind of morbid kind of way turned into a Halloween video, because we weren't really sure what to do for Halloween this year. Like an owl's spooky, graveyard is spooky.
Funeral. It might be nice if we have like a little tombstone and we can write someone's name on it.
Can we write Crayola on it? I love how he's trying to sell us the flowers and he stood next to where he's picked them. So who?
Wondering if I should put another rhyme.
Or an A. Shoo. Like, are you okay, Owl? I'm selling shoes. You better write an N. Don't you dare write an A.
I've been tempted to put the E.
No!
Why not both?
Shoon.
Do you think this is more romantic than our Valentine's Day card
You
collab?
mean the one where I made a horrible grammar error? So it's instead of saying I want a piece of you.
Don't tell them what it says. They have to watch it.
Okay, guys, if you want to see me make a horrible spelling mistake and grammatical error when I'm trying to be romantic, check out the video on screen.
I'll check out our Crayola playlist.
It's been nice to. It's like really hit the nostalgia. Making a card themed thing again. It's nice.
I'm glad you say that because I've actually got hold of a Crayola card making kit for like a future video.
Oh God! Why did I say that? It's the consequences of my actions. I think though, some people will get like a kick out of this because, like, you know the kind of morbid like humor and stuff.
It's okay. We can draw a shoe in it just so it makes sense.
What? Just one? Welcome to the funeral for your shoes. I think this did. I mean, if you wanted to as well, you could even try and fit in some like cobwebs or something somewhere, like try and tie it in with Halloween and stuff. I really like the owl that you've done as well. He's very cute.
You like him?
Yeah.
I also want to hide an opal over here. That's an opal.
He's dug it up.
There also needs to be a peacock feather.
Has he just dug up a dead peacock? Room for one more. What the heck is that?
I was looking in my pencil case and I've got this grey Crayola marker because I really like Crayola markers.
Yes, their markers are good. We both like those.
The markers are one of my favourites. I know not everyone enjoys water-based markers.
Which is fair. You know, water-based and alcohol, they both have their pros and cons.
I think it's because, like, as a kid, it was always so special if I managed to get hold of some Crayola markers.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Because those were considered, like, expensive and, like, a fancy treat.
I tell you, they're expensive now as well. Okay, your boy been cooking and the card's ready to go. Steph hasn't even looked at
Am I
this.
allowed to have
Yeah.
a look now?
So the card reads, with deepest condolences, you used Crayola. And I even put a little Easter egg at the stamp say shoes. So that's what it says at the front.
Is there an Easter egg on the back as well?
Yeah! I put like a little skeleton mouth. It goes... And it says Memento Mori, which is like a Latin thing. It's like a Latin saying where you sort of contemplate the inevitability of death. Wow. You want to open it up and see?
Oh, the card's inside.
Yeah, the card's inside!
You died.
See?
Why does that look so much like that jigsaw guy?
Oh god, it kind of does the swirls. I didn't mean to.
Oh my gosh, what's it say?
It says, you buy Crayola thinking of the money you save. Little did you realise this led to your grave. And then it says, shoon.
Oh wow.
What do you think?
I think if you want to see us make another card, make sure you check out our Valentine's Day video. Or check out our Crayola playlist.
And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you for another doodle date.
This is so good. We've got to keep this. This is a work of art.
You like it?
And we're putting this in the romantic collab
It is. What's
playlist.
romantic? You're too right.
Wow. The most romantic funeral card.